Friends, look over here. Oh my, what a sight, guys. It's absolutely wonderful. You have to try it. Savoy cabbage soup with sausage. It's wonderful, and I'm eating it. And you please follow along. The first thing to do is to cut this beautiful Savoy cabbage. We clean it and cut it into very thin strips. Make them very, very thin. So let's do it like this. We remove the tough part and keep the leaves, cutting them into very thin strips. This is the little task that needs to be done. So let's do it like this. Here it is, as thin as possible, you see? The cabbage has been cut. The other two ingredients are the sausage, which, as you can see, I've already removed the casing from and crumbled. And then half an onion that I diced. Let's go to the stove. In a large pot, we add a generous drizzle of oil, and we start browning the sausage. And I also add a bit of chili pepper to the sausage. If you like it, add it. If you don't, just leave it out. Maybe you'll add a bit of pepper if you like, right? But a little chili pepper really goes well. That's how I add it. The sausage is browned. We take it out and set it aside. Now in the sausage drippings, we add the onion and we let it brown slightly. Please be careful, don't let it burn, okay? Pay close attention. And now we add the cabbage. At this point, we add some salt. We cover with the lid and let our cabbage stew. Be careful, always keep it on medium-low heat and stir it from time to time, okay? The cabbage has wilted, as you can see. At this point, we add the sausage and the tomato. Tomato puree. And let's mix everything together. Let's add a bit of water. A little more salt. Please, always be careful with the salt. If you want, instead of water, if you have some vegetable broth available, that would be just perfect. But if you don't have it, make it like this because it's still good. Let's cover it and let it cook a little longer. 20 minutes have passed, and for me, the green cabbage and sausage soup is ready. But if you want to keep cooking it a little longer, well, it's up to you. Here we go. Let's turn it off and get the dish ready. A generous sprinkle of Parmesan, or even pecorino if you like. You can also use a good pecorino cheese. And our dish is ready. And now all that's left is to taste it. Delicious. Dear friends, I highly recommend you try this Savoy cabbage soup with sausage because it really is a delight. Take Aunt Franca's word for it. And with this wonderful taste, I say goodbye and send you a kiss.